Hello, welcome to ABC in Zambian Languages. Today, you will learn how to count from 1 to 10 in Tumbuka. Are you ready? Let's count together.
1 Chimoza 2 Ziviri 3 Zitatu 4 Zinai 5 Zinkhondi 6 Zinkhondi na Chimoza 7 Zinkhondi na Ziviri 8 Zinkhondi na Zitatu 9 Zinkhondi na Zinayi 10 Kumi
Great job! You counted from 1 up to 10 in Tumbuka. Let's keep learning together. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to ABC in Zambian Languages for more lessons. Until next time, goodbye